Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of reviving dead projects. And in our previous video, I was not able to use the mic because I had configured it in a different setting, so I was not able to use it. But in this video, let's dive right in. Let me close the server and let me run the project one more time. And there are a lot of warnings over here which we'll ultimately work on, but for right now let's just see what changes do we need to make in the website. So let's just go from settings and then see what is installed in our Django project. So for the database, we're still using SQLite 3. So the database is right here. This is the password validators, and we do have the CK editor, which we used in our earlier video, and we are using Crispy template Bootstrap 4. Okay, right now I don't see a lot of thing happening. Okay, there's a CK editor and nothing more, so I feel like we should be good. But I think there are a lot of the JavaScript modules. Okay, there is this. Okay, this is good. This is the Twitter thing. Discuss. Let me try to see what's up with discuss. It's in the details page. We want to make sure that we're not leaking any information or, making the endpoints more secure. And this is an MVC project, by the way. So it should be in the master. We'll go into templates, details. Okay, our discuss for commenting, of course, will be at the bottom right here. And what is it doing is it's just calling out the script. Is there like a better preview for this? No. Okay. Discuss, no script, comments powered by this. Source is embedded.js. Okay, it's opening up, definitely. Okay, let me just check the site real quick and then try to log in if I already have my. Oh, yeah, okay, there it is. Settings. Oh, apps. Okay, there's discuss next embedded. Let's just check. 2 comments. Okay, you can see the comments. Let's see the pricing. Basic. I think I'm probably using the basic version because it hasn't charged me any money yet, and I think that should be good for right now. So we're good with discuss, and let's check some other stuff that we're using here. We have that. This is the panel. I think okay, this has been flooded by fake emails and all that stuff, but this looks pretty decent. I wouldn't say this is bad for right now. There's block control. Okay, we need to make sure that our debug is turned off in our production, and we need to make sure you see it's true right now. We need to make it false and then make it more secure. Now let's go ahead and see how we can host it in any of the sites. So let's just ask ChatGPT. I have my Django project ready for deployment. How can I do that? Okay, before that, let me just create a repo, because I just pulled it from the Heroku repo. So we'll just say the repo name is oblog pro, and we'll just leave it as it is for right now. We'll copy it. Now we'll initialize it. So let's see where we are. We're right here, so we'll say git add Okay, it's gonna add everything. I need to have a git ignore because it's going to add a lot of stuff, and there is password.txt. Okay, I need to make sure that these things are in git ignore. Where's the git ignore file? We don't have that, so we'll just create git ignore, and we'll say oblog pro star.txt file, so that this won't go, and we don't need star.gz file. I think that should do it. We'll say git status, git add, git. Did I initialize the project? I don't know. I guess we'll see. And let's check if that did anything. It's definitely sending a lot. Okay, it's just 4 MB. What does it say? The building. The app is using her system, which has been under this. Please update the latest stack to deploy new versions of your code to. I think it's trying to add. Sorry, let me just try to do this. Git add. That's use update track files. Let me just check how to change the origin. How to change the origin of a Git repo. It's telling me about Heroku. Git remote set URL origin this. Git add, git commit, initial commit. Let me check. Okay, whatever. We'll fix that issue later. I know this is probably going to go in the GitHub, but I'll make sure that whenever I upload this video, it's not there. And the git ignore is not working. It's uploading a heavy file to GitHub, which is not a good practice. What does it say? SendGrid API keys. Not how to resolve a block push. Push cannot contain secrets. Okay, there we go. There's a rule violation. SendGrid. Okay, to push remove or allow this. It's in views, and I hope. Let me transfer it on this side so that I don't show you guys the password. Okay, guys. SendGrid. I don't think I'm using this. Let's just not use it. We'll just say pass. Pass for right now. Oh, sorry. Git status, git add, git status. I hope it added. Git commit removed SendGrid. Git push origin master. Let's see. I need to make sure I need to delete it, but I don't want to delete it yet because I think that might be usable in the future. But yeah, let's just see what happens for now. Okay, still giving me the error. Locations. Push cannot contain secrets. I'm going into 152 and 153. How does it think that I'm using the secret right here? Let me just, hold on. What was that? Send email. And then we'll cut this out. Search if there's a send email anywhere used. And then I'll take out the secret from environment variable as well. I'll save it and then let's see what happens. Hope it works. I think it did capture a lot of static files with the CK editor and everything. Yeah, definitely. Okay, still saying the same thing. It's in the master. That's what I'm looking at. Master. And it's in views. Which is this. 152, 153. Let me try to force push it, guys. Sorry, I think it's just 1F. Or do I have anything in settings.py? I don't know. I think I already showed you guys my settings.py file. Yeah. Okay, it's not working. Let me see. Git remote, git branch. Okay. Let me try to do something here. This is not it. This is the get. Delete everything. It's taking too much. Let's copy it one more time and we'll just say clear git init git remote add origin this git add. Okay, it's adding all the CK editor plugins. That's why it's kind of heavy. Git commit initial commit. We'll say git push origin development. Yeah, I think we had issues with several comments that I had created, and that was kind of trying to push the secret key for SendGrid into the GitHub server. So let's see if this works. It should definitely work. Yeah. And then, yep, there we go. And we need to update requirements.txt. We need to update all that. Let's just go over the general process of how we are going to deploy it. And I've already asked ChatGPT that question. It says can be done using AWS and everything. So it says for Heroku, we'll do that. Allow host, add that, log in, create, do this, do that, push it, migrate it, secret key, open, domains, logs. Okay, that sounds like a fairly easy process because I've done this before as well. And I'll definitely need to refresh all of this, and as you may have noticed, it took me a while to figure this Git issue because of, I don't know, the origin setup in Heroku and everything, so that problem has been fixed. We're kind of starting with a fresh repo, which is a good thing, and I think we should stop this video here for today, and then tomorrow we're going to look at how we can get it started on the Heroku server, and then we might work on designs and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope to see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.